I've wanted this since I was a child. I really did, since I was a kid running around the backyard playing Army. This is what I've wanted to do with my life.
Sniper school is the only thing that I knew about the Army before I joined. I asked for the school, shot 40 out of 40, 1 out of 3 in the company, and I asked for the slot and got it.
All the way down.
You can't stamp out a sniper. You can't just make a sniper. It's a different breed of person. Most of us here believe we're that breed, but I guess in 7 weeks we'll find out if we are or ain't.
Eyes up.
So sniper school is an introductory course to develop soldiers to take positions as snipers. Basically, our job is to train them in specific sets of skills. So for instance, target detection, range determination, stalking, marksmanship, and various weapon platforms that we use. So a regular maneuver battalion is going to gain a whole lot from having a sniper and utilizing them properly. Most of the time we're utilized to gather that necessary key vital information that a commander needs in order to drive their planning for a raid or for whatever their mission is that they're trying to come up with.
What's your estimated range to the target?
200 meters, Sergeant.
All right, stud estimates 200 meters to the target.
He's got decent vision on him. Estimated range, 201 meters. Actual range, 122 meters.
He's way out. He's way out.
You come here to get certified as a sniper, right? So I came here and learned meticulously on everything that I've been taught back in my unit. Went over it and learned the ins and outs and why it's done the way it's done.
I come up with a bunch of the guys we started class with. I mean, these dudes who've been in sections for the last 2 years, 3 years, just banging it out in their section, coming here, and then they're gone and I'm not. Like, it's pretty awesome.
Don't come unless you're ready, because obviously a lot of soldiers did that. Said 46 came before graduated. If you don't think you're gonna make it, you should just go home now. That's the mindset you gotta have.